Hello there. 1. Every single day I post asset analysis and in-depth updates on current charts and the possible patterns forming on them. I zoom in on the details to identify what I think the chart is about to do. From this I deduce what trades, buy, sell or both, to look out for each day on the specific asset. 2. I use wave analysis as method of analyzing the capital market. It's pretty precise, a very accurate method of analysis, and it gives good results. 3. Opinions expressed are those of the author, based on current market conditions and are subject to change without notice. These videos are made for informational purposes only. The data contained herein has been obtained from sources believed to be reliable but is not necessarily complete in its accuracy and therefore cannot guarantee the future performance of any asset, currency or market. In summary, trade your own independent analysis.